So I'm going to talk about how to sell a bigger package in your network marketing company. So my question first of all would be, why would you want to sell a bigger package in your network marketing company? Because when if suppose if you have started with a small kit, then everybody when they join they ask you, how did you start? If you start with a smaller kit, if you started with a smaller package, you are not gonna lie, you are gonna tell them that I started with a smaller package, and that way everybody, when they join with your leader, they follow the leader, so they want to start with a smaller package too. But you can tell that when I started, I did not knew a thing. I started with a smaller package, but bigger package has more benefits, more things to do, and bigger window, bigger opportunity to do more things. And that is why I started bigger package right away, and I have never looked back. So I think what is going on? Chicago is too cold. I know, you know what? Chicago is too cold. You are right. It's like a freezer over there. I lived there for 1 year, and I'm gonna share my story. That was a too cold story. Let me finish this topic, then I'll be sharing my too cold story. Too cold story. So where was I? Let me continue that. So when when somebody wants to start with a bigger package, that means they are more serious about their business. That means they are looking for more things to do. They are looking to do invest in their business more. They are very serious, and they are trying to build their business seriously. So selling a bigger package is better than the smaller kit, because a smaller kit is just makes your feet wet. You do not even see all those things which are offered in the bigger package. Suppose you start with a $50 and then the bigger package is $500. So in my opinion, going for the bigger package is much better, because bigger package has all the benefits, has bigger window to do more things, and bigger package is for people who invest in their business more, who invest more time, who invest more growth. So bigger is better. Bigger is better, and I hope I am I am providing value. Candace over here, drop me some emoji or show me some love, show me some heart. And I think it is too early in the morning. A lot of people have not joined me. I love when there is some audience, and I love that. Facebook, go ahead, bring me some more friends, and it's more fun when it's more better when you are talking to a bigger audience. Bigger is always better. So selling a bigger package is much better than the small kit, starter kit. Even if you have started with a small kit, even I started with one of my network marketing company. I started with a very small kit, and as soon as I found out all the benefits of the bigger package, I joined right away, and I have never looked back until this day. And even when my team joins me, they want to start with the smaller package, I make them I give them all the info about the bigger package. Bigger is better in my opinion. Bigger is much better, because you have all the benefits, you have all the bigger window for the more opportunities. You have more opportunity to make your team grow faster, your business grow faster. I see a lot of white birds outside. That is a very good sign over here. And so I'm going to share my story, Candace. It was I think that is it for me today, and I'm gonna talk about attraction marketing too. Hey guys, when you are watching replay, drop replay so that I can go back and talk to you, and if you need any help I will be reaching out to you. But we are starting Attraction Marketing Virtual Summit. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, 7th of December. Virtual summit is going to start. It is for 10 days, and for 10 days non-stop you are getting value from the top 40 home industry leaders like Ray Higdon, Mike Dillard, and Todd Falcone, April Marie Tucker, all these big names in the home business industry, and my coach Stephen Grivda. All these people, 40 leaders are going to give you non-stop value for 10 days about attraction marketing, how attraction marketing benefited them, how they grew their business from 6, 7 to 8 figures with attraction marketing. So I have free tickets for that. So I will be giving you the link. Grab your free ticket.